Follow through as I answer question 9, which has two parts, A and B. For part A, it reads, a six-sided die is thrown once. Find the probability of getting a number which is a multiple of 3. So for a six-sided die, it means here we are dealing with numbers from 1 up to 6. And then when it comes to getting a number which is a multiple of 3, here this simply means that we are looking for those numbers where 3 can go into. So I'll let event A be the event of getting a number which is a multiple of 3. So for part A, the solution will go as follows. So A is getting a multiple of 3. So for this one, it includes 3 itself and the number 6, because these are the multiples of 3. Okay, from 1 to 6, only 3 and 6 can divide 3. So then this simply means that to get the probability of event A, this will be NA, number of elements in A, over number of elements in the sample space. And for the sample space, this has 6 elements. So then this is going to equal to, so in this set, we have 2 elements. So this is 2 over, then in the sample space, we are dealing with numbers from 1 up to 6. So meaning this is 6. So this can reduce to 2 into 2, that is 1 there, and 2 into 6, that is 3. So the probability of getting a number which is a multiple of 3 is 1 over 3. So this is the solution for the first part. Then going to the next part, B. Here there's an equation that we need to solve, and the question reads, solve the equation in brackets 1 minus 2t, then to the power 2, then equal to 25. So for this one, we will solve it as follows. So for part B, first of all, I'll write the equation 1 minus 2t, then to the power 2 equal to 25. So the first step we are going to take here is to introduce a square root so that we can get rid of the square here. Now the square root will be introduced both sides. So the square root of the left part also, and the square root of the right part here. But for the right part, we'll introduce plus or minus. So this is because this here is a quadratic equation and we need to get 2 solutions. And the square and the square root on the left part will simplify, leaving us with 1 minus 2t equal to plus or minus square root of 25. This here is 5. So take 1 to the right side here, and this will leave me with the negative 2t on the left side equal to plus or minus 5, then minus 1, since when this one moves to the right side, it becomes a negative. And then this means that here we can have 2 equations to solve so that we get 2 solutions. So the first equation, I'll write it as follows: negative 2t equal to positive 5, then minus 1. Or the other equation I'll write is negative 2t equal to, so in this case I'm now taking the negative, so negative 5 minus 1. Solving this one, this here gives 2t equal to 4. Then, or this one gives negative 2t equal to, this is negative 6. Then for this one, we divide by negative 2, both sides, leaving us with t on the left side and negative 2 into 4. This here gives negative 2. Or this side, we divide through also by negative 2. Negative 2 into negative 2 leaves us with t on the left side here, and negative 2 into negative 6, this here is positive 3. So the 2 solutions are t is equal to negative 2 or t is equal to 3. Thank you so much for watching this video.